people can talk about my behavior and talk about my active sexual life all they want, but it's irrelevant to the fact that there is no...
Okay, May 7th, 2013, circle pentagram knocks Amanda, circle hexagram, Melchizedek Jesus.
I mean...
Ask me if I killed somebody. The answer is no, I didn't do it. I didn't do it. I didn't do it. Not you can't prove it. Not you can't place me at the scene. You understand how you can't place me at the scene? Sounds cagey.
Yeah, I mean, I have professed from the very beginning that I didn't do it, and no one believed me. I was screaming it to the prosecutor when they were screaming at me during my interrogation, telling me that I had amnesia, telling me that I had to know, and I told them I didn't know,
Corrupt
and I
police.
didn't do it, and I wasn't there, and no one listened to me. It's like I'm having to prove my innocence instead of just saying it.
The retrial, the Kircher family wants it. Are you aware of that?
Yeah.
What does that mean to you?